Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram no sound on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to this is window. We just go down here to looking for Twitter app. We just go down here to found the Twitter app and this is window, and we will click here on Telegram and we come to this is window here. Like you say, we'll click here on for stop, then we'll click here on OK, and we will click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We just click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and you just go to turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.